Welcome back to your phonic lessons with Pop-Up Tutor. My name is Mary and I am here to take you through your next lesson. The current collection of lessons is looking at the sounds I, T, D, N. This lesson is on the T sound. Listen to the words I say as we go through the lesson and join in where you can. So, this lesson is on the T sound. Have a look at the slide and see if you recognise any of our words from the pictures. So here we have a terrifying tiger, a tall tree, a trusty telescope, and a tooting train. Say those with me now. Ready? Tiger, tree, telescope, train. Well done. Here are some more T sounds. Do you recognise any from the pictures on the screen? Have a look. So on this page we have a tranquil turtle, a terrific tractor, some timeless treasures, and some twinkling teeth. Let's say them together now. Ready? Turtle, tractor, treasure, teeth. Well done. Here are 3 more pictures. Take some time to look at the pictures. See how many words beginning with T you can find in each one. Some will be words we have just learned, but there will be new words in the pictures too. Then we will go through them together. Have a look now. Say them out loud or write them down if you can to keep track. Pause the video while you do this. So, our first picture is a toddler playing with a toy train. Toddler, toy, train. Our next picture is a tiger in a tree showing its teeth. Tiger, tree, teeth. And our final picture is a treasure chest on a table that contains golden teeth. Treasure, table, teeth. How did you do? Feel free to pause the video and look closer at the pictures before we finish the lesson. Well done! You have made it to the end of the lesson. Good job with the T sounds today. Our next lesson will be on the D sound, so watch that video when you're ready. In the meantime, keep practicing your I and T sounds on the Pop-Up Tutor website with the games, and book a lesson with your tutor when you're ready. See you next time!